टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं क्या क्यों क्योंकि आज मैं आपको ऑमलेट बनाना सिखाऊंगा। फर्स्ट we'll get some oil here. See, it poured in a bowl. See, pour some oil in the bowl like that. On the gas will be on the medium, not more high or low. Pour the oil in the frying pan. This is all the oil is okay. Okay, now first break the egg. Be careful while doing it. Now we'll let it cook for 2 minutes. Then they come to a kitchen shelf. Grab this thing. I don't know what it is. Cook for 2 minutes. Many people do flat. Be careful by doing it. Oil can sprinkle on your hands. It's good. And your hand will get burnt. My little sister, please side. So next, lightly take it out of the pan. Be careful by doing it. And flip. Oh my. Then go ahead and quickly turn off the gas. Now flip it once again. Now grab the plate. So I take it to the pan and be careful. And then get it in the shelf. Sprinkle some salt on it. And some black salt also. Only a little bit. Okay, done. The omelette is ready. Bye guys.